I will show you how to make easy paper flowers that inspire by zinnia flower petal. You will require square paper with this measurement. You can use origami paper or cardstock paper. First step, we will fold the paper like this to create flowers petals. Draw the petal shape and cut it out. With skewers, curl the paper petal like this. If you don't have skewers, just use wire or pen. Then, glue the large petals, following by glue the smaller petals. The result should be like this. Now we will create flowers pistils. Just trim the paper and roll it. Your flowers pistil is done. Now, glue into the paper flowers petals. You can use these flowers for home decor, flower table, or school project, or just having fun making paper craft on your spare time. Now, we will make flower stock. Roll the green paper like this. And cut on the tip so we can glue into paper flower. The stalk is done. Let's make paper leaf. I hope you are having fun as much as I do, and I will be happy to read your opinion on comment below. paper flowers is done. It's very easy, right? Thanks for watching and consider to subscribe for more paper craft tutorial. Goodbye.